Hi everyone, I'm Alex from the Dynotest team, and today I'll show you how to install, activate, and use our device on a Jaguar car. Let's dive in. There are 4 different modes available, and you can easily switch between them. Each mode is activated one after the other, and to move to the next mode, just press the RES button on the steering wheel 4 times. Now, let's give it a try. To enter mode 1, press the RES button on the steering wheel 4 times. You'll hear a sound signal 1 time. In mode 1, the mileage block function is inactive. It means the actual mileage is recorded at 100%. To move to mode 2, press the RES button on the steering wheel 4 times again. You will hear a sound signal 2 times. In mode 2, only 50% of the actual mileage is recorded. Switching to mode 3, just press the RES button on the steering wheel 4 times. You will hear a sound signal 3 times. Here, only 10% of the actual mileage is recorded. And finally, for mode 4, press the RES button on the steering wheel 4 times. You will hear a sound signal 4 times. In mode 4, the mileage block function is fully active, so 0% of the actual mileage is recorded. That's it. You're ready to use our device on your Jaguar car. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.